Did you know a Chinese philosopher cracked the code to perfect leadership 500 years ago? Wang Yangming was exiled to a remote cave for challenging the emperor. While meditating in darkness, he had a breakthrough that changed everything. He realized that true knowledge isn't what you read in books, it's what you can actually do. You don't really know something until you can act on it perfectly. But here's the genius part. Wang discovered that moral wisdom already lives inside your heart. You don't need to learn it from others. You just need to uncover it. He put this to the test on the battlefield. As a general, he never lost a single war. But he didn't win through brute force. He transformed his enemies by appealing to the goodness already within them. His secret? A leader's inner state determines their outer results. Corrupt leaders fail because their minds are split. They say one thing, but feel another. Virtuous leaders succeed effortlessly because their actions flow from a unified heart aligned with truth. Your effectiveness isn't about strategy, it's about integrity.